Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the site, backup WP content, WP config, and the DB so you can roll back if needed. Next, enable WP debug in WP config. PHP to reveal error details. This shows the file and line causing the fatal error. Open your FTP or hosting file manager and confirm database access. Once done, reproduce the error once to capture the message. Note the plugin, theme, or PHP file referenced. Make sure to copy error text. It directs the next corrective steps. Now isolate what's breaking. Disable plugins quickly by renaming the plugins folder to plugins off, then reload the site to see if the fatal error clears. If it does, rename back and disable plugins one by one to identify the offender. This pinpoints incompatible or buggy code. If the error persists, rename your active theme folder to force Wordpress to use a default theme. Check the PHP error line referenced earlier after each change so you can confirm progress and know when to move to repair. Once you identify the culprit, either update or replace that plugin or theme with a compatible version. Reinstall from a known good source. If code was modified, revert to your backup copy of WP config, PHP, or the database and retest. Make sure file permissions and PHP version match recommended WordPress requirements. If the fatal error remains, enable detailed error logging, capture logs, and share them with your host or a developer. This gives the evidence needed for deeper debugging and a reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.